I'm working as a senior cybersecurity consultant at Ernst& Young. I've been part of the firm for almost 5 years now. While pursuing MCA, I gained an interest in ethical hacking. I tried to enhance my knowledge in it from YouTube and other security blogs, but it wasn't like formal training and all. So I started searching for courses and proper training programs, and I stumbled upon EC Council CEH certification. Post that, I visited EC Council authorized training center, enrolled and attained this first CEH certification. So this was my first certification and also the first step into the cybersecurity domain. CEH played a vital role in getting me a job as it outshined my CV. While majority of the MCA freshers have web and software development skill sets, I was one of the few who had cybersecurity certification and skill set. So I'm part of the cybersecurity consulting. So in my team or industry, I haven't met anyone who isn't aware about CEH or EC Council. So I can say it's very recognized certification. Web application testing, explaining the application team or developer how a particular vulnerability is exploited in the real world and the risk that arises from the same. I think these are the core concepts that I learned while in the CEH program. I recently attained the CEH practical certification, and in my opinion, the hands-on experience of the concepts, including the CEH theory exam, was my favorite part. Well, my one advice would be to gain knowledge about cybersecurity while you're pursuing your graduation or post-graduation. I know a lot of people who used to do bug bounty while they were in college. It helped them a lot in their career. Practical knowledge you gain during that period of time will help you go a long way. Lastly, I would say never stop reading or learning about the domain as cybersecurity keeps evolving with each passing day.